Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm going to be walking you through 10 Christmas gift ideas that you can crochet. So I'm very excited about this video because sometimes it can be a bit difficult to think about crochet gifts and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoy these ideas. I am going to try showing you some larger projects and some smaller projects just because it's good to have a few different ideas at hand. So I will be linking all of these projects in the description box so you can check them out if you want to follow along the video tutorial or if you want to check out the free written pattern. All of those will be on my blog as always. And I will be linking everything in the description box that I mentioned today. So to begin with, I wanted to show you this Victorian shawl. I absolutely adore it. It's so pretty, it's so delicate, and it's inspired by my favorite book, Les Misérables. And this is such a fun and easy project to make, and of course inspired by the 19th century. So yes, so if you fancy crocheting a simple but elegant shawl, don't forget to check that out. And while I'm on this subject, I also wanted to show you another Christmas gift idea, and this is this beautiful feminine hair bow. It's so pretty, and as you can see, I crocheted it with the same yarn, so you could even make a double present, like a matching present. So yes, and those two are really simple projects to make and feature the half double crochet stitch, which is a very beginner friendly stitch. So that's a great idea, and this is a really fast project, and both are crocheted with this light 2 yarn, but it can be substituted, as I stated in the patterns, with either another light 2 yarn or a light 3 yarn because it's more on the thicker side. So yes, very versatile. Another Christmas gift idea are these little coasters that I made a few months ago. These are so fun, they're so easy, they're so elegant, and you can crochet them in any color and any yarn that you prefer. I did crochet these with acrylic yarn. I did get comments at the time on how people preferred to crochet these with cotton yarn. This is entirely up to you. You can crochet these with cotton yarn if you prefer, and in your favorite color too. And this makes for a lovely and original Christmas gift idea, and this is a great idea for a market project too. Okay, this is another amazing crochet gift you could make for a special man in your life, and this is a blanket scarf. I think I made this a few years ago. I will be linking of course the tutorial in the description box. It's so beautiful, it's so masculine, and it's so it keeps people really warm, and it's a simple project, and it features the alpine stitch, which is a great textured stitch for a winter project, and I just absolutely love this crochet scarf. So yes, that's another great pattern to look at, especially if you are looking to crochet for men. I know I always crochet my dad an item for both his birthday and Christmas, and he absolutely loves those and treasures them. So I will be crocheting probably a scarf in the coming weeks, just because I love crocheting for my dad. and he'll be over this Christmas, so I'm very excited. And so yes, so be prepared for a new crochet scarf tutorial for men, but in the meantime I have a lot of crochet tutorials, especially for men. I'll be linking the whole playlist actually in the down bar. So yes, this is a great idea, especially for men. However, you can also crochet this project for women. That's absolutely, of course, fine. So there we go, and another perfect gift. This is a beret. This is one of my favorite berets actually. It's a textured beret. I did crochet it at the time with cotton yarn, and it's so pretty, it's so feminine, and it's also a perfect gift. And you can crochet it with a warmer yarn if you prefer. This all depends on your preference, but this also makes for a perfect gift. Another perfect gift is this lovely little sling bag featuring puff flowers. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty and it's so delicate and original, and I love wearing it in the spring and summer. And something else that I do is I don't necessarily crochet a winter project for Christmas. Sometimes I can crochet a gift for that person that I'll know they'll use in the spring and summer, just depending on that person's personality and personal style. That is something to keep in mind. However, you can also crochet all of these projects in a more wintry color, so you don't have to use pastel colors like I do. I know I love pastel colors, but you can obviously change the colors if that's what you want. Another perfect gift, and that's a super fast crochet project. These take me 10 minutes at the most, and this is the super easy velvet scrunchie. So I will be linking in the description box the full tutorial. And I think this is Bernat Softy Velvet yarn, and it's a super easy crochet project, and these make for perfect stocking fillers and are absolutely lovely in more wintry colours, or even the fact that it's velvet just gives it that Christmas vibe that I love. And most importantly, these are so fast, so if you've got a lot of grandkids or a lot of people like parishioners from your church that you like to crochet gifts for, this is a perfect idea. Another crochet project that's really good for Christmas is this lovely hair bow. I love it, and once again it's a super simple and easy project, and it's so stunning, it's so pretty, it's so feminine, and it's perfect if you have grandkids. So I also wanted to include this beautiful Esther shawl. I absolutely adore it. It's so feminine, it's so delicate, and this makes a perfect gift for Christmas. And it features a very lacy and delicate stitch, and like I said, I did want to feature larger projects and also smaller projects, just because then you can have that choice. So last but not least, this little gingerbread man would make an absolutely delightful gift, or just a decoration for Christmas. I know my little boy has loved it when I've crocheted it and given it to him. He's just loves this little gingerbread man, and it's so nice to be able to crochet a little stuffed doll, I suppose we can call him, or ornament. I love it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this list. Let me know in the comments what you are planning to crochet this Christmas. I love to know, and happy crochet, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye bye.